Welcome back. Now we have the continuous function. A function is said to be continuous function if and only if it is continuous at every point of its domain. If it is continuous at every points of its domain. That means if we have given a closed interval AB, it means it is continuous in open interval AB. It is continuous at right of A and it is continuous at right of B. That means we have to check for the 3 points in interval AB at A and at B. We have to consider these 3 points. And the set of all points where the function is continuous is called the domain of continuity. Is it clear? And now we have the properties of continuous function. F and G are two continuous functions in their common domain. Then sum of two functions f plus g is continuous. Difference of two continuous function is continuous. That means f minus g. Product of two continuous function is continuous, means f dot z. And division of two continuous function, that means f by g, is also continuous, and here provided this ga is not equal to 0. Is it clear? And now some continuous function, that means every polynomial function is continuous. Every polynomial is continuous. Constant function is continuous. Constant function, that means fx is equal to c. Identity function, that means fx is equal to x, is continuous. Rational function means fx is equal to px by qx, and here qx is not equal to 0. Rational function is continuous. Trigonometric functions, sin x, cos x, tangent x, secant x, cosecant x, cotangent x, all trigonometric functions, basic trigonometric functions, are continuous in their domain. Exponential function is continuous. Exponential function means e raised to the power x. Either a raised to the power x is continuous. And next most important example function, that is the modulus function. Modulus function, that means fx is equal to mod of x, is also continuous function. And these basic means every polynomial function, constant function, identity function, rational function, trigonometric functions, exponential functions, and modulus function is continuous. In the questions where you have to see these type of functions, you can directly say these functions are continuous. And now we have the proof for this modulus function. Fx is equal to mod x is also a continuous function. And now mod of x, fx is equal to x if x is greater than equal to 0, and minus x if x is less than 0. We have to show this function is continuous function. As you see, when x is greater than 0, the function is x. We have to prove this function is continuous. You have to consider, let c be any real number. And now 3 cases will be there. In first case, c is greater than 0. In second case, c is less than 0. And third case, at c, particular value c. That means when c is greater than 0, c is greater than 0, c is any real number which is greater than 0. Here the function fx is equal to x, which is the identity function. And therefore, for c is greater than 0, this function is continuous. That means for this part, when c is greater than 0, identity function is there. Therefore, it is continuous. And for c is less than 0, c is any real number which is less than 0. And for this, fx is equal to minus c, minus x. Fx is equal to minus x. And therefore, again it is a polynomial function, linear function. And therefore, it is continuous. And now at c, c is equal to 0, particular value. ग्रेटर देन 0 के लिए कंटिन्यूस है, लेस देन 0 के लिए कंटिन्यूस है. एंड नाउ वी हैव टू चेक फॉर एट c इज इक्वल टू 0, particular function value 0. For 0, the function is divided into two parts: greater than 0, less than 0. Greater than 0, we have this one. We have to check for left hand limit, right hand limit, and value of the function. At this particular point, we have to prove these 3 points: left hand limit, right hand limit, and the value of the function. If these are equal, then this function is continuous. It means every modulus function is continuous. You can prove it very easily. And all other functions, these type of functions that are a continuous function, see it from your book, that can be easily provable.